I'm a bird watcher. I'm a bird watcher. I'm a bird watcher. Watching birds go by. My, my, my. I'm a bird watcher. I'm a bird watcher. I'm watching those birds go by. My, my, my. I'm a bird watcher. I'm a bird watcher. Watching birds go by. My, my, my. We're a bird watcher. We're a bird watcher. Watching the birds go by. Watching the birds eat. Every day. My, my, my. We're the bird watchers. We're the bird watchers. Watching the birds eat all day. My, my, my. What a perfect day. And play, play, play in the snow. I hear a red cardinal. I hear a red cardinal. And here it comes now. My, my, my. My, my, my. But where's the blue jay? Where's the blue jay? Hey, I said to share. I said I'm only going to put feed out if you guys share. There's plenty of feed for all. There you go. And where's that blue jay? Huh? Millie, where's the blue jays? Where's that blue jay, Millie? Where's the blue jay? Calling all blue jays. Is that a woodpecker? Is that Woody? Is that Woody? Huh? Where's the blue jay? Where's the blue jays, Millie? Where's the blue jays? Look who's up there watching. Look at that fluorescent cardinal. Oh yeah. She says, I'm going to get in the action. I see you guys watching. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And there it goes. There's the blue jays. There he is. There's that beautiful blue jay. Well, I think I want 3 or 4, and I'll shove them in my mouth and then take them to my babies or hide them. Oh yeah. Okay. We finally got one. And there's the fluorescent cardinals. Woohoo! Is it the minerals and the things they're eating? They're staying nice and plump so far. Is it the feathers or just my good food? I'll hold still to see if my camera will focus better. Oh yeah. What do you think, Millie Two Shoe? What do you think, Millie Two Shoe? Oh yeah, that Cardinal's getting ready. They're sitting there waiting, taking turns on the tree branches, getting ready to come down for their fair share. Oh yeah. A beautiful cardinal. There's that beautiful cardinal. And there he goes. There he is. Okay. We'll check in later. Say goodbye, Millie. Say goodbye. We'll have another episode tomorrow. Millie's wagging her tail. So she's good.